This is his table. This hasn't changed since the date of the accidents.
Memories of Evan Thomas are everywhere.
But this is the stack of cards that we got from people from all over the world.
The 18-year-old Humboldt Bronco was one of the junior hockey players killed on the way to a playoff game in April. The cause of the crash is still unknown. Semi-driver Jaskirat Singh Sidhu is facing 16 counts of dangerous driving causing death and 13 counts of dangerous driving causing bodily harm. That's one criminal offense for each person who was on the Humboldt Broncos bus when it collided with Sidhu's truck. The 29-year-old from Calgary made his first court appearance today in Saskatchewan, surrounded by a large police presence. Thomas felt compelled to be there and make eye contact with Sidhu.
Sure, there was why, but it was just like a big void in the bottom of my stomach.
Sidhu was released for $1,000 with conditions, a curfew, no driving, and he had to surrender his passport. Sidhu was composed but appeared tired. He looked at the gallery briefly, and his eyes became watery as the judge read out his conditions. He came to Canada a few years ago to start a new life. The owner of Adesh Diol Trucking says Sidhu was receiving training 1 month before the fatal collision and was only on the job for 2 weeks. After court today, Scott Thomas got one more reminder of his son.
The one we're working on right now is a reproduction of a picture that my daughter took at the funeral home. The one set of hands is hers, and then the other set of hands is my son's.
A reminder of how this tragedy has marked so many lives. Olivia Stefanovic, CBC News, Melfort, Saskatchewan.